Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to disable ads on your Xiaomi phone. Many users find the built-in advertisements intrusive, but with a few simple steps, you can significantly reduce their presence. We'll go through disabling system-wide ad services, turning off recommendations in individual applications, and revoking specific authorizations. By the end of this guide, you'll have a much cleaner and more enjoyable experience on your device, minimizing those pesky interruptions. Many of Xiaomi's pre-installed applications, like Themes, Music, and File Manager, often display their own advertisements. To tackle these, you'll need to open each app individually. Within each app settings, look for options such as Show Ads or Receive Recommendations. Simply toggle these off. This process might take a few minutes, as you'll need to do it for several applications, but it's a crucial step to reduce a large number of ads. A major step is revoking authorization for MSA or MIUI system ads. Go to your phone settings, then select Passwords and Security, followed by Authorization and Revocation. Find MSA in the list and toggle its switch to the off position. You'll need to wait for about 10 seconds before confirming the revocation. Additionally, navigate to Privacy, then Ad Services, and turn off personalized ad recommendations to prevent targeted ads from appearing. For even fewer ads, check your app folders on the home screen. Some folders, like Tools, might have a toggle for today's recommendations. Turn this off. Another effective method is to configure a private DNS, which can block ads across many applications and services. Remember that system updates might sometimes re-enable certain ad settings, so it's a good idea to periodically review these options. With these steps, you'll enjoy a much cleaner and less interrupted phone experience.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.